Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up storage in Call of Duty Mobile. So this is how you do it. Click on the download button and at the top right corner click on clean up. Here you're going to see an option to clean up the past seasons, the residue storage that Call of Duty Mobile is not using. So I'm going to go for a quick clean. So click on clean up. It's going to try to remove all the old seasons, the residue of the old seasons you are not using, and clean up your storage. Depends on how long you have installed Call of Duty Mobile. You might get free storage from this stuff. I was able to clean up around 2-point-something gig with this feature. So that's how you clean up your Call of Duty Mobile storage. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.